How to change icon size on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to change icon size on Android, on the blank space of your home screen, you need to tap and hold on your screen. At the bottom, you will see different kinds of icons. Select Icons. Now a menu appears where you have to scroll down and you will see icon written here. Simply with the help of the slider, you can easily increase the size of the icon, or either if you want to reduce, you can simply swipe to the left and decrease the size of icon on Android. After you are done, you can select the apply button. Furthermore, you can also change the shape of the icon also. You can simply select any shape of the icon that you would like to and see the preview at top of the screen. And once done, select apply button and successfully your icon size on Android will be changed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.